Happy Wednesday. So you see, this is what happens when people just don't like you. Certain people, when someone doesn't like you, they don't even listen to comprehend or listen to understand or listen, and then they respond. The first line or the first title, they run with it because they don't like you, and there's nothing one can do when someone doesn't like you. I usually don't entertain such things, but it's fine. I'm here. I've got the time. When you listen to my video and you listen to the entire video, you'll understand what it was a question. It wasn't a statement saying that South Africa won't survive without foreigners. One. It was a question. Are we preparing ourselves for that day? Because it's easy for us to say, let them go, and then boom, what happens? Are we preparing ourselves? Sharp. I'm not going to explain even further. If you don't want to go back to the video and listen, it's up to you. Two, when CCAT, let's not support South African celebrities, let's not do this, let's not do that, I can tell you for free, you are wasting your time. Because why? Here we are button warriors. We are phone warriors. We don't really take action in anything that has been happening. We did justice for we did justice for this. We did. Only a few people really physically did something, but now I can tell you for free, you are wasting your time. There will be fans at any South African thing that's happening, and also you can't, just because I believe now you're gonna mobilize people to stop that. You are wasting your time. I can tell you that for free. From the South Africans, we are not angry enough anyway in anything, because for the fact that we're still having the same government and voting for the same government, it means we are not angry enough. So stop channeling your energies to something that you think looks weak. Me personally, I will always stand for what I believe in and what I stand for, and I'm not going to be shaken. So, and I know what I meant, and whoever knows what I meant will understand. And whoever doesn't, because they don't like me anyway, sharp, let them go. One thing I've always said, I will be Somizi with or without anybody. I was Somizi before I was born. I am Somizi now, and I will be Somizi after I'm gone. So stop dangling this threat thingy, and based on something that you have decided, Wayne, I want to hear it this way. Yeah, so it is what it is. If you still want to go and listen, go listen, and come back and tell me, did I say what you thought I said? Yeah, have a beautiful day.
As South Africans, we are very sick and tired of our very own South African celebrities going on social media platforms and telling the world that as South Africans, we are lazy, we are unskilled, and we are unemployable, when they know very well the very same celebrities, these people are being made and created, loved by us. Every celebrity is made, created, and loved by us. There's no celebrity they are making money. But instead of them loving us and defending us, celebrity instead, we are unskilled, we are lazy, we are unemployable. And how will South Africa be without foreigners? Let me tell you, my celebrity South Africa will be at a better place without my foreigners, because they are here by a mosh. There's no foreign national as allowed with pure intentions or pure purpose, which like they are going to build or what. Lama celebrities by our quarters. They don't know what you are being led by a useless government, a stupid government, criminals, yingakho kunje icrime nje nabantu bayazenzela abantu bayangena bayaphuma sibazi ukuthi ubani, because we are being led by fools, we are being led by a weak government. Yingakho kunje icrime high, job unemployment high, because our government akana direction. They are criminals themselves. There was a post, a news cafe, where like they needed just a few number of people, but abantu bathelekile in numbers, because bayidinga lo msebenzi. How many places bafuna 10 people bese kufika abantu abayi 5,000? How many places like abafuna abantu abayi 2 bese kufika abantu abayi 30? or 50 because siyayidinga imisebenzi asisakhethi abantu bahleli nama-qualifications when ama-foreigners they're occupying ibhesi ekumele ngabe si-occupy yithi. But those celebrities, they have their influence and power, they don't use it. Instead thina we have like iy'namba ey'phansi, we are the ones like we are supporting one of our owns. Now bafuna usibuza ukuthi how South Africa will be without foreigners, all because thina sifuna cheap labor. Nami angeke ngize ngivuma ukuthi ngiyenze ingadi, be a garden boy for 200 a week. So because ama-foreigners bayakuvuma lokho, they are better than us. No, that is nonsense. That is nonsense. Omunye wathi thina we are unskilled and we are unemployable. Now we are being asked ukuthi where will South Africa be? South Africa will be at a better place. How many lecturers, tutors, teachers, which are foreign national, when we qualify for those positions, and you guys say nothing? People are depressed. Abasakhetha umsebenzi. I saw a video of a boy, he qualified engineer, passing a distinction, a cum laude. He's driving a scooter for ShopRite 60 or something, or Take a Lot, because imsebenzi is being occupied by the very same foreign national. So because nina niyabaqasha ukuthi banenzele cheap labor, baniwashele, banikhothi izinqa, now thina we are being labeled as lazy, unskilled. Ayikho lento leyo. Niyakhohlwa nina. Like ingakho most yenu sinifaka uma-cancel culture because you think that you are smart. Niyakhohlwa where you come from. The fact that we are giga kubo Nigeria, like we are making money kubo Malawi, kubo Zimbabwe, akuchazi ukuthi kumele wena la uzojikela thina. Sisuka nani kude siniphushile, you are where you are. Instead of you laughing us back and supporting us, niyasilasha nje, niyasishaya, niyasidelela, niyasinyatha, niyabukisa. South Africans are not weak. They are being led by fools. Ugovernment wamaqola owegebengu ofavor ama-foreigners more than abantu bakhe. Yingakho like in big positions, in higher positions, babeka ama-foreign nationals because they prioritize bona. We know ukuthi like they own ama-shares kubo Zimbabwe, kubo Malawi, kubo mine, nani. Yingakho they don't care about us. They care about ama-foreign nationals. So if like they start being like go government or strict or straight, their shares somewhere like bazowathatha or like they will lose or whatsoever. Bacabangela bona. Yingakho ngithi they are up there and badecidela thina la phansi, abazi la phansi ukuthi yini yenzakalayo. NgoJanuary kumele ukuthi sibange iy'kolo, iy'pace nama-foreign. They say nothing because abantwana babo bafunda phesheya, bafunda kuma-college adurayo. Emsebenzini siyabanga iy'pace like nama-foreign because bona balapha nemikhaba bebolile eyigebengu emkhulu. Abakwazi nokuhamba because baloke bayafuqa nje, bayafuqa bayadla. They don't care about us. Thina sila phansi sibanga ama-clinic, sibanga ini, anything e-public sibanga nabo. Then you South African celebrities come and lash at us and tell us that we are lazy. No, we are not lazy. We are not lazy. South Africans are khutele, they are skilled and bayaqasha. It's just that abafuni ukuthi nibayuse cheap labor. Abafuni.
Comment with this thing because I'm very much passionate about, the law and how the law works in the borders of South Africa. While I have noticed ukuthi most South Africans that are benefiting from the chaos that our people are subjected to would always have something to say because these are the people, they are in positions of privilege, they are in positions of power, they are influencers of the society, and people tend to listen to what these people say. Why one? Even if these people are saying something wrong, people tend to believe the nonsense that these people are saying. Nkhuluma ngani bafethu? Nkhuluma nga the issue le yakaSomizi right now where he's actually asking a question to say, how would South Africa look like without non-South Africans? And I want us to underline the word non-South African. Now, you can tell, look to this person, we capitalist and he's well trained because he doesn't want to trigger the emotions of South Africans because he understands the type of, tension there is now regarding the issue of foreigners in the country. What he's actually using semantics when he speaks. This is 101 semantics where he's controlling, the anger, the expectation, and the view of the people who are going to actually watch the video. But iting moshiskati iting answer. But it's very much concerning what you are asking this question, and you as a dinosaur, you should actually have answers to that question because you have lived through all the stages of apartheid. Yabona, at least mina, when I was born, it was actually at the end of it where it was black on black violence. That time when IFP ebusy nabantu emalokishini. That's when I was born, mina. Yabona. But South Africa would be a beautiful place, like it was before Lamaza got here. It was a beautiful place. And remember, we come from a background or a historical, life experiences where white people also exploited our grandparents and they also exploited our parents. So, right? Something that you wouldn't know about because of the type of background that you're coming from. But thina laba esikhulele emalokishini esahlala emalokishini namanje will tell you ukuthi that which you read about, that which you see on the news, thina we are experiencing it. You know that illegal foreigner that you are referring to, you don't know ukuthi ebusuku emalokishini bayenzani labantu, because lama 200 nimanikeza wona la kuma parking lots, it's not enough for them to can survive. But mababuya bazohlala nathi emalokishini izinto abazenzayo ebusuku, wena you would never ever experience that because uhleli kwakho lapha kuma high halls with security and everything. Thina sihlala next door to these people and some of these crimes are done on us. Yabona. But anyway, back to your point. The reason why ngisho kanjalo is because our parents, they were never ever allowed to be anything that they want. And during apartheid, our parents were forced to be garden boys. Our parents were forced to be domestic workers. Our parents were forced to be garden boys. That's why we have a song. My mother was a kitchen girl. My father was a garden boy. That's why. Because this is not part of your life. You have never experienced this. When we actile, but tina siphilile. That's the difference between me and you. And South Africans were never car guards. They were never car guards, even before apartheid. Even after now, we will never, when these people leave, South Africans will never ever be car guards. Because why? There's a disclaimer in each and every single shopping mall or center or whatever facility that says, and I can tell you what we found this disclaimer, but Tina Labes Lupegile say found out here because it's the difference between life and death. That disclaimer says the mall or whatever complex and third parties will not take responsibility of any damages or losses that will happen while your car is parked in their facility. It says that. And so, Mizi, to be honest with you, it is people like you that makes it possible ukuthi is lazy. Why would you need somebody to help you park your car? So, Mizi, like seriously, why would you need that? No wonder these people are calling us lazy. So, Mizi, you should be using your status to promoting good governance. You shouldn't be promoting this nonsense, lawlessness. And I wish, so Mizi, Uguti, you could have dropped like addresses. Uguti, where is this place, Okulumangayo, where 90% of the people that are working there are foreigners? I wish you should, because clearly you don't know what the Immigration Act says, ne? The constitutional like high. Because if you did, you wouldn't be commenting like that. Yeah, but and as for your company, bro, the audacity, of you coming on social media and actually posting ukuthi abantu abakuthungelayo ama-foreigner. Bra, ngizothi ngithi ukubheka lapha kwi-scale ukuthi kwenzakalani. And then ngicela ukukhuluma ne-team yami sithi ukuvakashela lapho because baningi abantwana aba-studies ama-fashion design that are just waiting for an opportunity to come and work kuma-companies wenu, and you guys are exploiting cheap labor. Nilanda lamakwerekwere nibafaka ey'panini. Hey, so Mizi, yazi sometimes ukhuluma kakhulu niyazipayisa nina ngokwenu ukuthi you are part of the problem esiyifacile thina la eMzansi. But anyway, it is what it is, bafethu. Ngizokhuluma ne-team, maybe singakushaya nge-surprise sokuvakashele lapho, yabona. Who knows? Yizo vele izinto esidume ngazo thina, yabona. compliance nomthetho. If you are not complying, definitely. But awuthi ngikhulume ne-team yami sibone ukuthi singayenze njani. Maybe singakushayela i-round out yami. Sibone ukuthi ngempela amaphepha walabantu aphelele. But next time just drop the address yale ndawo othenga kuyo. Sibavakashele. That's all I'm going to say. Yeah, my favorite, it is what it is, eh? Peace be upon you all.
Alimzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. Somizi went the video, I think 2 weeks back, akhuluma ngama-foreigners ukuthi he's just wondering ukuthi i-South Africa iyoba njani without foreigners because tindzawo letiningi kusebenza bona naye futhi usebendelwa ama-foreigners. So people were angry after le video yakhe leyo basho ukuthi yadzelela khulunyiswa ukuthi uphila kahle akaphili nema-foreigner kathi ukuthi ma-foreigners asiphatha kabuhlungu njani asihlubeta kabuhlungu asitshontshela kuwani emagazethini lesihlala nabo. So lo mnyema ke went video naye speaking about the video. So mizasho ukuthi we must stop supporting South African artists and actors. But akhona kubona ukuthi kumatima kangakanani ngayithola support labo kuqhamuka kubhukhwe bona basiperformele because bona ababoni kubalekile indzaba yama-foreigners because aba-affect ngalutho because siyaqhubeka siyababhokha. So lana basically Somizi was responding to video lo makhe. I did upload the video yesterday if awuyibonanga i-check lema kwakhona nje ucuke iskipha lesi rate labe kakhuluma khona athi asikeni kusupporta ma-artist ala South Africa asupporte labo kuqhamuka but khona kufela ipain yema-foreigners nakuthi uma sithi basithathela umsebenzi sisho ukuthini. Do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out, so goodbye.